Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are giving you an update video on the Hoover One Power Vacuum. So about 7 or 8 months ago we got this vacuum and we did a video on it and how it's nice and lightweight, easy to maneuver, works really well, all of that. We still believe that, so that you can go back and look at that video. All of that will tell you the details of what this vacuum really is. I'll put a link in the description below. You can follow that. But here's the update to this product. It's about 7 months later. Battery's dead. Battery's absolutely dead. So this is the 4.0 battery. It's supposed to be the max battery. It's really supposed to be really cool and have the most power. But when it has that blinking red light on it like that, that means your battery is now shot. So, which means it won't work anymore, so it's useless. So we went and took a look at the battery replacements. So the battery replacements for this, $80 to $100. Wow. $80 to $100 for this, right? So you don't worry about the charger. $80 to $100 for this. That absolutely sucks because the vacuum itself, you can get it between about $150 to $200 depending on if you get it on sale or whatever. $80 to $100, $150 to $200 to buy a brand new one. So I know this is the second video I did about how I'm going away from battery powered products, whether it be the weed whacker, I'll put a link in the description below for that one too, or now the internal, lightweight, highly maneuverable Hoover One Power Vacuum. Okay, so the biggest thing that upsets me about this is 7 months. So 7 months it took for this to die, right? So my wife wants to order a new battery for $80 to $100 because she loves the lightweightness of this vacuum. It's easy to use. It's really kind of maneuverable. She loves everything about the vacuum. 7 months, and they want me to spend another $80 to $100 so that way the product works. I don't think I can do it. So I'm going back to plug-in electric things. They never die. Use them forever. I get that this is lightweight. I get that it's easily maneuverable and things like that. But I'll find you one and I'll post a link in the description below and do a video on that of probably a corded one that does the same thing. So that's what's upsetting about this. 7 months, $80 to $100 for just this, to replace it, to make the product work the way it should work, which I would think would be for a lot longer than 7 months. Or you scrap the entire ding-danging thing if you love it, and you buy a new one for $150 to $200, or you scrap it all and you go back to good old electric powered products and you just reel that cord in, even though it's a pain in the butt, then you're not looking at basically always replacing batteries. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel. I'll put links to the description below to everything I mentioned. So the first video that did the review of the Hoover Power One Power. We'll put this link below. We'll also put a link in the why we went away from a battery powered weed whacker. Same reason. Batteries were super expensive. Just isn't worth it. And let us know what you think of it. Subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time and give us a thumbs up. Thanks.